Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Today's video is sponsored by my sister, as she's the one who paid the nail polishes you're about to see in today's video. We ordered it at Polish Please PH on Shopee. I placed the order on August 26, 2020, and it arrived on August 28, 2020. I was so excited that I forgot to take a picture before opening the parcel. So it's bubble wrapped and the nail polishes are inside a Zoya box. By the way, these are my sister's early birthday present to me. And as you can see, my nail art on this unboxing is the unfinished Crash Landing on You inspired nail art. And inside the box are 6 boxes of Zoya nail polishes. So here are all of the boxes. Ta-da! We have 1 Essie nail polish and 5 Zoya nail polishes. This is my first time having brands by Essie and Zoya, and I'm super happy and excited to swatch these beautiful nail polishes. Once again, we picked up these shades from Polish Please PH on Shopee, and we've chosen all holographic nail polishes. Okay, so let me introduce the shades we've chosen. We have Essie's Semi-Precious Stones, which is a gold linear holographic polish. Aurora by Zoya, which is a purple holographic polish. Merida by Zoya, which is a dark green holographic nail polish. Cadence by Zoya, which is a pink holographic nail polish. Finley by Zoya, which is a royal purple holographic nail polish. And Lux by Zoya, which is from their Pixie Dust line, and it's a pinkish nude nail polish with chunks of holographic glitters. I will be posting my swatches for these on October 20, 2020 to celebrate my birthday with you guys. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss it. Big thanks to my sister for letting me have these awesome nail polishes. It has been a dream of mine to try out Essie and Zoya. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!